Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to view and manage your blocked accounts on the Bluesky app. If you have blocked someone and want to check the list or unblock them, this video will guide you through the process easily and clearly. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Moderation section. Tap on Moderation to see additional options related to account management and content controls. Then click on Blocked Accounts. Here, you will see the full list of all the accounts you have blocked. You can review the list and decide if you want to keep someone blocked or unblock them. Finally, if you want to unblock an account, just tap on the account name from the list. At the top of the account page, you will see the Unblock option. Click on Unblock and then click Unblock again to confirm. The account will be removed from your blocked list immediately. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.